ng Sunday talk shows, the buzz, and the whole treatment na ibibigay sana sa ganung klaseng issue. You think may ano ba kaya siya? May market?
May mga kwento that need to be tackled the way we used to do it. Alam niyo yung nangyari pa after the hindi pala Alvin. Sino ba yung when the daughter Sofia guested dito? Sabi ko kay Cecil, ito yung dapat may after fast talk. After fast talk. Yung konsepto na halimbawa transgender girl ang guest mo in the middle of a controversy. Sana pagkatapos ng show, pasok niyo ang isang psychologist, ipasok niyo ang halimbawa isang pastor, ipasok mo para we have a round table tayo. We have a better understanding of all the elements na mabilisan lang. Na kasi hindi namin kaya yung 20 minutes. Yeah, but we are thinking about many things. I really want to go. I really want to go online with inside the actor studio, inside the cinema, buzz kind of a concept. Pero nga, ang sabi ko nga alam sa kanila, why is it 20 minutes? Because we are in a different world now. O yung research kasi a couple of years ago talaga, attention span 7, 10 minutes. Bibitawan ka eh.
Pero for you safe to say, thing of the past na yung classic show. Yung The Buzz, the Star Talks.
Yes, but ang advantage natin, we can always go back to it pag kinailangan natin. Familiar territory sa akin ang buzz. And I think that's an edge. I know how we used to do it. So, knowing that, kung may kinakailangan gawin the way we used to do it, gagawin natin. Yung pangarap ko. Kasi we're thinking about doing a longer version of Fast Talk that we can do online. Kasi hindi naman namin pwedeng pag-usapan eh. Ang sarap sana nung bata na tingnan natin kung anong pinanggagalingan. Like for example sa Alvin, di ba yung kanyang revelations na ito ang kanyang... I'm not romanticizing that story.
Right.
I'm not romanticizing that story. Pero kailangan marinig. Kailangan marinig. Yung ano nga, yung pastor, I really said, may I suggest that we get a piece of advice from Victory para malaman natin. Malaman natin. The Gary Valenciano statement helped a bit. Nung sabi ni Gary, he used the word, there was a time I was honeymooning with the Lord. Oo. Medyo, sabi ko, there's a perspective that we also have to understand. Ang ano ko lang nun, Alan, nung nag-interview ako kay Alvin at kay IZ, I'm very passionate about LGBT issues. Ayokong makipagdebate, ayokong makipagsigawan, lalo na if it is religion-based. Oo, kasi saan naman ako pupunta doon?
Pero wala kang inkling nun na nag-research pa kayo beforehand about him. Talagang,
No, sinabi ko nga sa kanila kanina, they were suggesting, Jojo, tama ako, no? They were suggesting na, ba't hindi natin puntahan yung transgender girl na anak ni IZ? Sabi ko, ayoko. Ayoko, I have 20 minutes. Sabi ko, and again, sa totoo lang, if he makes pronouncements in my face against the LGBT community, how do I behave? Kung malakas ang dating ko, parang hindi yata proper. Na ang bisita ko ay nakikipagtilian ako.
Saan nangyari na ba na you lost your sort of engagement?
I will not name names, pero nangyari na. Oo. I was doing the buzz. Oo. And I didn't like it. No, I didn't like. I didn't want to go into soliloquy again. Remember the Manny Pacquiao outburst? Yung parang, there are other ways of communicating. Pero ayoko nang ulit. Hindi dahil sa mali ako doon. Paninindigan ko yun. Pero hanggat pwedeng pag-usapan natin.
Sir, si Lily,